Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we are doing part 2 of the CATIO build. What are we doing today, baby?
Today we are going to take the sides and the front that we built last time and put the mesh on. And so then the sides and the front will be all done. Then we're going to install them on the catwalk.
On the
catwalk. Screw everything together, and then we'll look at roof options for our CATIO.
Yeah. So let's do it.
Let's go.
Let's go. Got all the screens in, we have all the sides put together, and now we just place everything within the catwalk area.
On the catwalk.
Yeah. And then now what we're gonna do is we'll pre-drill some holes again to make sure we're connecting the sides and the front together. And then we will do some pre-drills down here as well to connect this side in. And then it's on to building the top, right?
Yeah, we're almost there.
Yeah.
Everything's looking good.
Looking really good. All right,
here we go.
Let's do it. right, Chris is putting the last screw in on the other side, but we are using outdoor screws, like deck screws. What are they called, baby?
Just exterior screws.
Exterior screws to make sure they like don't rust and stuff like that. But what I'll do, because as you can see, they're like, you know, they're like a gray color and they're gonna stick out. And we do have to screw it in this way just because nothing lasts forever. If something happens to these screens, then the homeowner can unscrew it, take it out and actually fix these screens and put it back in. So, but they're gray, they don't look pretty. So what I'll do is I'll go back through with the exterior paint and a small paintbrush and touch them up so they're white and they blend right in. But I'm not gonna like fill the holes of the screw because you wanna make sure you can still get your screwdriver in there and get it out if you need to. All right, so now we're going to show you guys what we're going to use for the top of the CATIO. We are going to put...
It's a corrugated polycarbonate plastic, just for a cover. This is actually going in a window where there's an overhang from the roof, so there'll be some protection, but you still need to have a cover to make sure the rain just obviously doesn't get the cat's wet. So this is what we're using. We're going to cut it down to size with a little bit of an overhang. We actually can't cut it to full size because we will have to do some notches on the back end where the CATIO is going to sit up against the house and there's a windowsill. So we'll have to cut some notches for the windowsill, but we'll do that on site once we're actually installing it. But we're going to cut out our basic size that we have so that way it's not big and huge, and when we get there we can just make a couple cuts and good to go.
Right, and we used this material because one, we didn't want to use anything metal. We couldn't put anything like, I mean, we can't put the mesh on the top because the rain will get in. So we needed to come up with a solution. We did kind of look at several other different types of solutions, but they were going to be like $200 just for a top. So we found this. It's clear, that way still some of the sun gets in and the kitties can look outside. So that's why we went with this, and now we're just gonna measure it for the sides and you know, a little bit of the depth. And then I think our next step, honey, after we do this is, you know, going on site, right?
Yeah, pretty much.
You gotta go on site after this, so.
Yeah, not too bad.
Yeah.
They're gonna be excited.
Mm-hmm.
They're gonna love it. Kitties are gonna love it.
Yeah, they're gonna love going outside. It's so nice out right now.
Yeah.
I can't wait to get it over there.
Okay, cool. Let's do it.
All right. Alright guys, well that concludes today's video. Let us know what you think and how we're coming along with this CATIO.
Yeah, and let us know if it's inspiring you to make your own CATIO.
Yeah, or just build anything.
Yeah, get outside and do something. It's nice outside.
Yeah.
Spend some time outside. Do something with your kids, you know?
Mm-hmm. Show them how to use a power tool.
Yeah. Teach them a skill.
Alright, if you like this video, hit the like button, and even if you don't like it,
give us a thumbs down.
give us a thumbs down. Hey, either way, it helps us. It lets us know what you guys want to see, what you don't want to see. So it helps us. So if you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching, guys. We appreciate it.
Next time, part 3, the installation.
Finale.
Bye, everybody.
Bye. All right, let's go.
Coming in the back, so it's very, very bright. Can't see that?
It's so pretty.
It's like I'm bathed in a glow. Sorry.
You know, have all the birds and the rabbits come like land on you.
Yeah, like Ace Ventura style.
Don't do that. You're such a dork. All right, guys. Well, blah. All right, guys. Well, I can't do it. Look at it. When I do that, I'm like my face gets all scrunchy. Hey, look, honey, we have a drone.
You're such a dork.
Well, drones are expensive, I think. I've been trying to look into them, but I don't really know why we would need one other than just to play with. But anyway.